We are amazed but not amused by all the things you say that you would do. Though much concerned but not involved with decisions that are made by you. And we are sick and tired of hearing the song, telling how you are gonna change right from wrong. 'Cause if you really wanna hear of yours, you haven't done nothing. It's not too cool to be ridiculed, but you brought this upon yourself. The world is tired of pacifiers. We want the truth and nothing else. And we are sick and tired of hearing the song, telling how you are gonna change right from wrong. 'Cause if you really wanna hear of yours, you haven't done nothing. Nothing. Say do the wop, do the wop, do the wop, do the wop. They would not care to wake up to the nightmare that's become real life. 'Cause when they're slept, you find a person's mind becomes as cold as ice. Why do you keep on making us hear your song, telling how you are gonna change right from wrong? 'Cause if you really wanna hear our views, you haven't done nothing. Don't do the wop, 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 bop, bop, bop.